It's cute, but not for $20.99 cute. Sorry. Come back over here, so. This also looks nice, but my number is $12. Sorry. So this is all I got at home, guys. I got it, and that was $52. Yeah. Make sure it's not in that bag. Like, what? That's it. That is it.
For me, been an awful good girl, Santa baby. So hurry down the chimney tonight.
A true Jamaican Christmas greeting I extend to you. Just come on over, there is room. There's no winter time, there's just sweet sunshine at Christmas Jamaican style.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Welcome back to KeneishaSays. Guys, guess where I'm at? Guess where I'm at? Look. Yep. It's that time of the year again. So guys, you don't even want to know what my morning has been so far. Like, I just dropped off the kids and I said I want to come here, but I have never been to this location before, right? And for some reason I put in my GPS in the car. I just put in the closest one, the closest HomeGoods where I was, and it bring me around one place and let me say it's right here on the right. And when I'm looking on the right, they're all houses, and I'm like, okay then. So I had to be driving around because I couldn't stop where I was driving, like how the traffic was going. Like I couldn't stop, I couldn't pull over. When I finally get the chance to pull over, I realized that I was actually, like, I passed here to get around on all of that rigmarole, the different town of them there carry me. Anyways, I'm finally here. I was able to pull over and put it in my phone, and I just pulled up from here. Just pulled up here actually. So it's Christmas shopping. To be honest, I have done majority of my Christmas shopping, including most of the gifts and the decors. What I really want here is just like some little fandangos for the Christmas tree. That's all I really want. I'm not gonna go deep today. So that's what this video is about today. Shopping here at HomeGoods for some Christmas decor for the Christmas tree. Yeah, so we're gonna go in. So let's go. So guys, we're going in. And did I tell you, I don't even have gas. Like, I realized that my tank is almost at E. It's like quarter tank. I made a drive right now, almost lost. Oh my God. And then I forgot my AirPod. So just make it worse. So I'm going to go in here and I'm going to record with no AirPods. I'm going to go let my talk. I'm going to be looking crazy. So let's go. Alright, so guys, I see these. I need something for my office as well. Just one nice little trinket. I will in a few minutes. You're so tight. Number 3. Okay, I also needed some wheat. In your tight bag. You know what, guys? Not feeling in here like the last time. Like this French. The French did not grab me a song. I don't know. I feel like I need to leave here, grab my AirPod, and go to the one. This one is in Avon. I feel like I need to go back to the one in South. It was actually in Windsor, the first one. The little compact one, this one. Yeah. I think that's what I'm gonna do. Let's see, I think this is a Christmas part. Alright guys, I'm not feeling that store. I'm not feeling that store, so we are moving. I don't see anything. So I didn't tell you, I am going for the theme this year. I'm gonna do black and white, silver, and a little bit of gold. And I'm actually it's mostly like black and white plaid that I'm really going for. So, and I was also looking for something like maybe like a pink little glittery tree or something, just something like a little pink decor to actually go into my office. And you know, look, like I said before, some little stuff for Christmas tree. So I'm really looking for a wreath to go on the door. I have them in my cart on Amazon, but I wanted to check here first and see how, you know, if I can actually find anything. And if I can't, then I have to go back to Amazon. So far, and I'm not feeling this store. So we're going to go to the one in Windsor. All right, so let's go. Hey guys, so I had to make a detour. I stopped at the house and I'm actually now just finishing getting some gas because I couldn't chance it. It wasn't on EE completely. It passed quarter tank coming down, like getting less. So I didn't want to chance it. So I said, you know what? Let me just come and get the gas. I grabbed my AirPods. So now we're heading let me just go. I'm heading now to HomeGoods. So we're going to Windsor. So I'll see you when I get there. Okay, alright guys, we are finally here. It's over there so you can't really see, but yeah, we're going over there right now. So we're gonna go in and hopefully what I saw the last time in terms of all its glory, Christmassy, everything. Let's hope it's the same vibes and I'm feeling it this year. And I can grab this little trinkets and go home. So yeah, let's go. Beautiful, beautiful guys. Okay. So I already see pink for my office area. $7.99. I could do this, or I can get something more glittery. This also looks nice, but my number is $12. Sorry. Alright, we just started, so let's see. Let's see if there's anything else. Let's see. Which was the reindeer right here, so I know it. Okay, so this is not bad. This is $10. I could grab this. Then I need like a little tree like this in pink. Don't see any. Let's continue looking. Why am I forgetting every? What the hell is this? Why do I have to get below this card right now? Alright, so guys, this is not disappointing at all. This was where it needs to come in the first place. This is cute. $16.99. Some pink tree here. $9.99. Do this. And that will be for the office. I don't understand why the place is pop up. Alright. Ooh, for the Christmas tree. tree clips. How much is this? $12.99. It's cute, but not for $20.99. Cute. Sorry. Come back over here, so. Alright, let's see more Christmas stuff this way. Okay. Nah, I don't see nothing here. So I'm not really seeing. It's a lot of Christmas, but I'm not seeing what I want. Let's see what's over here. So. Let's check out these wreaths. One thing with HomeGoods and they're so tight, like they're literally packed with stuff. They're so tight to plan over. Alright, let's see if I can find a black and white wreaths. That's cheaper than Amazon because Amazon is so expensive with the wreaths. This looks nice. Or where would I put this in my office? I like this. This is so cute. I want to take this. Look at this. I don't know where it's gonna go. So if I'm finding more stuff for the office than I can actually find for the actual house. Oh, this is so cute. I think I got the small one for this last year. Oh, plush blankets. This is Christmas stuff. Let's go back around here. Oh. Cute. I would love this. Mermaid snuggle tail looking like this. It's so cute. Measure this. I'll see the price. $24.99. We have different colors. If I can find that show. I didn't come for that, but since I'm here, I can find silver or black. I see black, but that's too fuzzy. It's kind of a mix of everything going on. That's all they have. Okay. It seems as if this is going to be a very short trip at HomeGoods today. Ooh, these are cute. Yeah. Let's walk around this side and see if I see anything. These are all butterfly. I like these. These are flowers ones. How much is this? $16. Ooh. I think I like this one. Oh, look at these. I thought that was these. I was going too fast. Okay, so I'm going to grab this. I'm going to grab a pack of this one. Since you have the silver and the gold in here, put this back. And then I see some white ones down here. So I got the white. I don't know what it was. Alright, let me see if I see like some clips. You have the butterfly ones. I'm not into the butterflies. Let's see what else. Since I was moving too fast. Look what I'm gonna make it something drop off. I see the silver one around here, but let's check over this side, guys. Alright, I think this is it. So, I have this, the tree, and these. I'm gonna lot for the house. Let's go to the cashier. I had some of these from last year.
Cashier number 2, please.
Hello, I'm good. Yes and no. I was actually looking for some wreaths. The wreaths. Oh, I didn't mention some. I did, but I'm looking for like I'm doing like a black and white theme for most of the house. So I was looking for like the black plaid. I see the red plaid, but not the black ones.
Yeah. Did you want to activate?
Yes, please.
Always, you can have a rewards card with us.
I do. All right, guys, that's a wrap. Finished with HomeGoods. Spent. How much money I spend? All right, the light is not lighting right now, but I spent. Where is it? Where is it? I think I left it in the bag. Did I put it in the bag? Oh, all right. So I found a receipt. I spent $52.72. The most expensive thing was the flowers for $24.99 and the clips. And then I used my 20%. Hang off the $2. That's crazy. Yeah, $52.72. So right there. We are done here. But yeah, I reached home and came home to this trifling box that was delivered today. I don't even know what is inside. I'm thinking it's some bedding. But like, it's a hot mess. Like, this look like it went through World War I or something. Like, what the fudge is this? What is this? It looks like a return or something. I swear to listen, I cannot do this today. I cannot do this today. Like, look at this. What is this? What is? What? Oh my god. Alright guys, anyways, let me show you everything that I got. I think you already saw, got an idea as to what I picked up at HomeGoods. Again, sorry for the lighting, just to go right through the place. But these are what I got. Got 2 bags, right? And in this bag, we got the thingamajig here. This is Rachel Roy set up 3 clips for the Christmas tree. So silver and gold, I said before, I'm doing black plaid, black and white plaid, with a touch of silver obviously and a touch of gold. And then I got me this for my office because it's so cute and I couldn't leave it. $10. So cute, right? Look at it. I think this is what grabbed me. So this was $19. It was basically $20. And then we got this Christmas tree, pink Christmas tree again for my office. This was not the intention, no. The intention was just to grab 1 tree for the office to make it look Christmassy. $10. And then I end up coming on almost everything I purchased. This is so heavy. This is so heavy. Don't pop. Don't break. Don't break. Please don't break. Someone's pop. Let's see. I tried to take it out, but I feel like it's gonna break. So this is it. It's just so beautiful. It lean though. I wonder if I may just rock it out. No. It lean. But I like this. This is so cute. It's gonna go in the office. I don't know where it's gonna go. Look at these little walls. It's so cute. It is so cute. So it's gonna go in the office. Not sure where. This is the most expensive thing that I bought. This was $25 basically. So this is all I got at HomeGoods. Look at that, and that was $52. Yeah. Make sure it's not in that bag. Like what? That's it. That is it. 1, 2, 3, 4 items with 20% discount, and we still get this for $52. That's crazy. Like, yeah. Anyways, if you don't know me, you don't know that I did already go online while I was, because I left. I didn't show you that. You're gonna see that in another video. 2 videos I made in one day, because girl, I try to do our thing, right? So I left HomeGoods and I actually went to get my nails done. And while I was at the nail salon, I actually went ahead and ordered everything that I had in the cart that I needed to get, that I thought I was going to get at HomeGoods. But I'm like, you know what? I'm not sure. And even some of them, they went up because they were on sale before. And they're not on sale anymore. So I got them at higher prices on Amazon. But I purchased everything. So right now, I literally have everything. Let me show you. Let me show you what I have so far. No judgment, please and thank you. There are more stuff coming, including what I just purchased. But this is the rip-up box. So this is from Walmart. These are just some pillows. I got this from Temu. Some other home decor stuff. Christmas decor. Everything down here is basically Christmas decor. Sheets and throw pillows and pillowcases and all that stuff. You got 1 and 2 regular home stuff down here, but for the most part, yes guys, like yeah, got some over here so too. But I'm gonna stop shop for right now. I'm gonna stop shop. Like the only thing else, yeah, and then we got those that we just purchased right now. So it's a lot of stuff. My whole office is full. My whole office is full, but it's a Christmas vlog, so it's a Christmas decor vlog, so I said, let me just show you. Yeah, I said, let me just show you everything, right? So you got a couple more stuff that will be coming through the week. And then you have those items that I just purchased. And then I will be done. Like the only thing I have left to get is this item for my, I haven't done shopping for presents yet. I have most of them, but not all. But in terms of home decor, I have everything now. Yeah, so that is that. I will be showing you most of these items in a different vlog. So we'll have like a Christmas haul type Amazon haul vlog thing, video thing. Yeah, I will link all my items when I do that that haul, so you guys can actually see what I purchased. And if you like anything, you can always go ahead and make your purchases. And just remember, Amazon always have sale. So I'm done. I'm finished shopping for right now. Yeah. All right, well guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, go ahead and hit that like button, go ahead and share the video, drop a comment under the comment section right there, and subscribe if you haven't already subscribed if you're new over here. Thank you again. Until next time. Bye.
At Christmas, Jamaica.